Hey beauties, it's Riri. If you're new here, I'm an over 40 lover of all things beauty and I love showcasing indie brands here on my channel. Today it is my Ipsy versus Ipsy for the month of April. Every single month I like to compare my bag to my mother-in-law's bag. She is so generous enough to let me open her bag before she does, so thank you. But I like to compare these to see if Ipsy is actually listening to us and do our profiles mean anything at all. If you're unfamiliar with the OG, the original Ipsy Glam bag, this is a $14 monthly beauty subscription where you receive 5 travel try me size items and a makeup bag. I swear by the Ipsy. I think especially for somebody that is either new to makeup, you're trying to build a collection of makeup, or you have maybe a little who is trying to get into makeup, beauty, skincare, things like that. Or if you're somebody like me and you travel pretty consistently. I'm going to go in with my mother-in-law's bag first. Her profile is, she has light skin, light eyes, light hair. She's semi-comfortable with makeup, but she has a preference for makeup over skin. And I do still get my paid for Ipsy Glam bag, even though I do get PR. And I've gotten Ipsy Glam bag since March of 2015. So for a very, very long time. You always get an informational card with that month's theming. There will also be pertinent dates on the back of the card. And then typically, I'm not going to look. You'll see all of the products you're going to get. I'll show you this up close when we're done. And that will walk you through pricing, how to use the products, and how much the full size would be if you chose to purchase the full size. First and foremost, the bag is so incredibly cute. It's a beautiful canvas, blue and white stripe with a cute little peach. And remember, hers is makeup heavy. Automatically, I'm seeing some good stuff. And we have something in bubble wrap, which y'all know, look, it's makeup. This is the Fiesta palette from Chica Beauty. I actually received one in my PR package. And I did swatches and stuff and did a shorts and everything per request. And y'all, this little thing packs a punch. I'm just saying, it is incredibly pigmented. And the one shade in here is so incredibly beautiful. Obviously, I'm not going to swatch this one for you guys, but I will link that shorts down below. But this one right here has a ton of like, it looks like a shimmering night sky. Like, it is incredibly beautiful. They're very, very impactful and very pigmented. I was super impressed by this. I actually went and followed them and everything. Like, this palette is like the little palette that could. It's cute. So she's gonna love that. Next up is the Tarte Big Ego mascara. She is also going to love this. She loves mascara. Next up, she got a really cute brush. This is, I can't actually read that. I'm so very sorry. But the number is CB731. I cannot tell what that says. I'll put it up close. Maybe you guys can help me out. Yeah, I cannot tell what that says. But it is a duo fiber brush. And it has a little bit of weightiness to it and stuff like that. I like the length of it. I think she's going to love that. Next up, she has a Dew of the Gods Amalfi Gold Heaven Grade Hair Serum. That sounds fantastic. She also loves hair products. And then last up in her bag is the Goldfaden MD Body Care Body Surge Restoring Body Moisturizer. Oh, I get this in my bag. Everything I've used from Goldfaden MD has been fantastic. So she got a hair product, a body care product, her brush, her palette, and a mascara. 5 out of 5 yellow hearts. I can tell you right now, she's going to love it. I also ask you guys every single month who has the better bag. So y'all can comment down below. Before I open mine, do you think mine's going to be better than hers? And then here is all of her information. This will show what it is, what it does, how to apply, and then what the full size cost is. And then we'll dive into my bag. My profile is light to medium skin. I have dark eyes, dark hair. I'm very comfortable with makeup, but I want more skincare than makeup. And my bag, it looks like it's been through the ringer and opened and closed, and it feels kind of girthy, y'all, so I don't know what to expect. So the exact same bag, of course, and then the exact same card. Okay. I also got the palette. I do already obviously have it, so I'm going to set that to the side. Next up, I have the Elemis Superfood Glow Priming Moisturizer. Yes, please. And I actually had the full size. It was either this or it was a glow primer, but I loved it. And Elemis is a beautiful, beautiful brand. Next up, I have something from Avant. This is the Advanced Bio-Restorative Superfood Facial Oil, and they are an incredibly pricey brand with the most writing I've ever seen in my entire life on packaging. Not mad at it, and so far 2 more skincare-based items. Next up is the Marc Anthony Grow Long Super Fast Strength Leave-In Conditioner. I remember back in the day, like the lotion thing of this always went viral and everybody in Ipsy always wanted to get it. It is a beautiful product though, so I'm excited to have that as well. And then the last thing in my bag is the Scone Luxe Lip Liner in the shade Cosmo. So I got my palette, the lip liner, the hair care product, the priming moisturizer, and the facial oil. So I definitely feel like I love my bag just as much. I honestly like both of them equally this month. Sometimes that tends to happen. I love these. I'm super excited to try these out. I have tried the other version of this before and loved it. I don't feel like you can ever have too many lip liners. And then, of course, I loved this when I got it in my paid for bag. So I'm super excited. Who do you think had the better bag? Comment down below. Let's have that conversation. Thank you to my beautiful channel members. Thank you to you beauties. I love you. Stay happy, healthy, and safe. And, of course, be your own best beautiful. Bye, beauties. Back in really quickly. Yes, I do already have that product and I love, love, love it. So I'm also going to probably pass this along because I do have the full size, but noting it for you guys. I'm actually going to show you guys what it looks like because it's beautiful. You guys know I'm all about the glow and the dew and the lit from within. It's beautiful. And that kind of little kiss of like a tint that you see there, you do not see that on the skin. It's just a beautiful glow. So yeah, I'm even more excited. I love that product. So if you get this, don't count it out. Especially if you like dewy, glowy, you got dry skin, something like that, like me, you'll love it. Okay, bye.